guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and an unboxing of the Jordan Delta 2. Before we get into this review, guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps us with the algorithms. Drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment that's thrown our way. And like always, I would want to take this time and opportunity to thank our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we weren't able to do this. So let's get into it. So today we've got a look at the Jordan Delta 2, and we got this in the grey fog black sail colorway. We've got this in the UK size 7.5, it's the European 42, and it's the US size 8.5. Now, before we unbox this beautiful pair of sneakers, we'll take a look at this beautiful box. So it's a bit different. It's similar to the Air Jordan Aerospace, very different vibes, but we got a Jumpman logo here, two-tone colors, black and brown. We got the 23, and forgive me guys, I should have done my research before, but there's some coordinates there. I believe that is the Nike headquarters. I could be wrong, pretty sure I'm wrong, but if you could correct me, you know, I'm here to learn. Let us know in the comment section below. And just a little tidbit here. If you look at the inside of the box, it says Jumpman, inspired by greatness, designed for flight. Obviously, Michael Jordan, he did not run, he flew when he played basketball. And here they are, a very nice modern sneaker. Personally, I wouldn't play for basketball, but we'll get into those little details as we do the review. But as always, we start with the outsole. So this outsole here, you got a mix of materials. So you got exposed react foam, that is the more lighter, the more bone colorway on the outsole, and where you can see the more white here on the front of the toes and at the heel and bits on the sides. That's pure rubber, great for traction. And as I mentioned, we move along onto the midsole unit. You got this exposed react technology, and react is Nike's foam used for bounceability. They do use it on their basketball sneakers and some running shoes. However, it's more of a lifestyle, these kind of sneakers. Again, I wouldn't play basketball in these, and there's no air. So the reason why these are called Jordan Delta 2 is because there's no air, as opposed to other Air Jordans, where it's in the name Air Jordan. They'll either have an air bubble, some sort of air technology, or air zoom units. Unlike his brothers and sisters before him, there is no air technology in the sneaker. Now we'll move along onto the upper, and that is that whole man-made synthetic materials. Is a blend of that and a lot of suedes. And just looking at the sneaker, you got that space age feel. The first rendition, the first colorway of these Delta 2s, they gave me more of an astronaut vibe. These more light colored, but really well done. And we'll start with the toe box area. So here you got a lot of synthetic materials on the side panels and around this toe box, but where your big toes would be, you can see that suede panels, and it goes along onto the medial side here. Got bits of perforations, but what that is the overlay too, where you can see this mesh that makes the majority of the sneaker. So you can see it here, it's all synthetic materials, nicely perforated. You can see the holes there. Hopefully it makes the sneaker more breathable. And this kind of gives me the vibes of the Air Jordan 13. You look at that side paneling there, it just gives you that vibe. There's similar materials. It's like a ripstop nylon. And you look at the side panel along the lateral side. I really like this touch that they've done. So imprinted along these little holes there, you can see the Jordan. And what's dope is that they separated the D and the A with this Jumpman logo. They want to highlight that the Jumpman logo is there. Looking at the little plastic paneling around the sides here as well, you got the 00023, Michael Jordan's number. and that is reflected upon on the medial side, where you can see the 23 stitch in this kind of light pink stitching. Now we look at the sock. It's essentially a sock unit, so you can see the nice padding here. And it's nicely foamed on the inside. Can't really take this out. I can't take the insole out, it's glued in, so I can't really tell it's an ultralight or a polyurethane, but it doesn't feel like a polyurethane. Really nice touch. You got this nice modernized view of the Jumpman. Oh, forgive me, it's not Jumpman, it's the Wings logo with the 23 number inside. Lace panels made of the similar suede as the toe box area, and the side paneling there, it's all made out of the same suede materials. Nicely padded tongue, flat laces with the lacing going underneath the tongue and over, and just where the tags are on the tongue, right at the top, you got the upside down Jordan Jumpman logo. Jumpman inspired by greatness, designed for flight. Again, that's here written on this little tag. And just on the inside, the 23 continues, and you got a little Jumpman logo that's there. Oh, forgive me, there's also, I don't think I mentioned it, but you got the Jumpman logo plus React. So you got Jordan, React technology, all found in the sneaker. We've done like the React running shoes in the past. We liked that. Jeff's a big fan of React technology. I enjoy it as well. Chris does too. So big shout outs to the head honchos of Oneupreviewz, because they give me inspiration and help me buy my sneakers. So I can't wait to try these on and let you know my thoughts, feelings and emotions of the React technology that is found in these Jordan Deltas. When it comes to the fit for these guys, I recommend you get a half size down. This is a UK size 7.5, which is my true to size Nike fit usually, and for Jordans. But I've got a bit of space around here. There's a bit of slippage from my heel, but apart from that, it doesn't take away from anything from comfort. When it comes to the comfort of the sneakers, they're really comfortable. And apart from the fit, I'm happy with these. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz. What is that at the end? Until next time, peace.